Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel today. We're diving into the secrets of achieving the perfect hair. Whether you have curly locks, straight strands, or anything in between, we've got you covered. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our hair care tips and tricks. Now, let us get started. Step 1. Prepare your hair. The foundation for perfect hair begins with proper preparation. Start by choosing the right shampoo and conditioner for your hair type. This sets the stage for a healthy and vibrant mane. Gently towel dry your hair after washing, avoiding rough movements to prevent breakage. Step 2. Heat protection. Whether you're a fan of sleek straight hair or bouncy curls, heat protection is non-negotiable. Before reaching for your styling tools, apply a quality heat protectant spray. This creates a barrier, shielding your hair from the damaging effects of heat. Step 3. Choosing the right tools. Speaking of styling tools, selecting the right ones can make all the difference. Invest in high-quality hair tools that suit your styling needs. A good hairdryer, flat iron, or curling wand can be a game-changer for achieving the perfect look. Step 4. Proper brushing technique. The way you brush your hair matters. Use a wide tooth comb or a brush with gentle bristles to detangle your hair. Start from the ends and work your way up to minimize breakage. Remember, patience is key. Step 5. Deep conditioning. Treat your locks to some extra love with a deep conditioning treatment. This restores moisture, leaving your hair silky and smooth. You can use a store-bought deep conditioner or try a DIY mask with natural ingredients like avocado or coconut oil. Step 6. Regular trims. Don't underestimate the power of regular trims. Even if you're growing your hair, a trim every few months helps eliminate split ends and keeps your mane looking fresh and healthy. Step 7. Healthy lifestyle choices. Perfect hair also comes from within. Maintain a healthy lifestyle by staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals, and getting regular exercise. Your hair reflects your overall well-being. Conclusion. There you have it, the secrets to achieving perfect hair. Remember, it's all about a consistent routine and a little extra care. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow hair enthusiasts. Until next time, stay beautiful.